Hi, we're Ben and Lois Orford and we're here at the Bushcraft show, and we've brought all our handmade knives and leatherwork to show everyone. We've got folding knives, full tang knives, we've got harangues, and we've got some axes, and we're just really enjoying it, aren't we?
Yeah, it's great to get out of the workshop. Obviously when you're working in the workshop for days on end to make all this stuff, it's a very sort of insular workshop, so you don't see anybody. So coming out to the show, it's great to interact with people and hear people's feedback. So we've had people come back that have picked up knives. Some of them have had knives for over 12 years. And they've still got their faithful companion with them. So it's nice to see how those tools have sort of progressed over the years. So yeah, it's great. So come along and have a little look at what we make, and hopefully pick up a knife that's going to last you a lifetime.
Yeah, great.
So one of our sort of new additions to the lineup is what we've christened the Pirate Trapper. So this is a knife that we made primarily for a chap called Aldo Kane. So he's an ex-Royal Marine, and he's just been on the latest series of The Bridge, and this was the knife that he had on his belt when he was out in Vietnam. So this is lovely desert ironwood with thick red G10 liners, and the reason why it's called the Pirate Trapper is it's got a really nice little pirate flag motif that's very special, obviously connections with the sea. And then this comes with two sheath options. So we've got a green Kydex sheath for the wet weather environments, and then Lois has made a really nice leather sheath for it as well for when you're in those drier environments like in the UK and stuff like that. So yeah, the Pirate Trapper, that's our sort of new favourite little addition to the family of knives. Yeah, you can find us on Instagram. So I'm Craftlab Knives and Lois is Craftlab Leather. I always get my tongue twisted around that. And then you can also find us as Ben and Lois Orford on YouTube as well.